been in business for almost 15 years. Our main markets are North America, Western Europe, and we have some presence in Asia and South America. We've been using Smarter Surfaces for 4 years. Our old offices, they were really small. So when we moved to our new offices, we wanted to expand the surfaces because they had become a reference space for our meetings, thanks to Smarter Surfaces.
We used to have a whiteboard, but it was much smaller. Having Smarter Surfaces functional wall covering has made it easier to have a bigger space in one single meeting room, on which we can project and write.
We installed magnetic plaster because it gave us the additional functionality of a magnetic wall. So we can stick papers, posters, even pens and markers next to the designs, graphics and other things that we write on the magnetic and whiteboard wall.
Being in open spaces helps us to feel a lot better.
What we realize is that having large writing surfaces opens up even more possibilities to share. On a small surface, you easily fill the full space. Those who want to contribute no longer have space unless they erase some writing.
Having this large functional surface gives us a sense of how much space we actually have to work. Having ample space to use really helps to enhance creativity. It enables everyone to say something and to have all the input reflected on the wall without having to erase anything. So yes, it has been really positive.
In our company, we always worked in a very collaborative space, as we already had surfaces that we could work on together. Because of that, the dynamics have not changed radically. What we feel is new is the ease of use, the availability and the size of the surface on which we can contribute, share, collaborate, or communicate. You can't make mistakes, because if you write on the wall and make a mistake, or the idea is not quite right, you can change it quickly.
If I had to sum up the product in 3 words, they would be useful, creative, and invites you to share. I believe that Smarter Surfaces whiteboard wall covering and magnetic plaster are compatible products for all companies, or really any place that invites creativity and sharing is good, really good for any business.